Good day everyone and welcome again sa The Curse of Imelda. In today's video, meron tayong i-unbox na sa Lora package. So, itong package na to is actually rubber shoes. So, this is a third signature line ni Donovan Mitchell. So, at the same time, kahit bago-bago to, meron kasi yan sa Lora na promo. So, ang hirap i-miss yung ganitong opportunity, kaya kinuha na rin natin tong sapatos na to. So let's check what it is. So ayan na, yun yung logo ng Spider, Donovan Mitchell Spider logo. This is a red orange box, and ayan. So this is the third signature line ni Donovan Mitchell sa Adidas. So ito na. And we just take a closer look on this. So let's checking on the box. It's a spider logo. And at the top naman, and all around is yung creative printed mga iconic cartoon graphics. And usually yan, may mga street pa nga, may basketball court. This one is creative courts scattered throughout sa New York, kung saan lumaki si Donovan Mitchell. This side, ayan yung price and sizes, some logo. And ito na nga yung D.O.N issue number 3. So this is the third signature line ni Donovan Mitchell. So nakaka-excite, no? Alright. So yan yung mga graphics niya. The back side yon, overall, halos lahat yan inspired by the New York City, kung saan lumaki si Donovan Mitchell. Kumbaga, road to greatness itong inspired ng rubber shoes niya. So bubuksan natin siya, and eto na nga, it's purple and very creative rubber shoes. Okay, so let's check the materials. So upper textile and with a color of purple. This one naman yung TPU plate niya. So this one allowing lateral containment tsaka stability ng foot. And itong tip toe is a signature of Donovan Mitchell, very translucent rubber. And this side naman yan yung plastic rubber strip, so pang holding yan ng toe. So magandang support din yan. Tapos ito yung dito sa side naman, ito yung fuse overlay. So ito for lockdown naman. Okay, dito naman meron siyang foam para sa ankle support na naka-attach sa lacing system. And Lightstrike, ito yung cushioning na ginamit nila ngayon dito sa D.O.N issue number 3. This one naman yung tag niya, this one is a code or an address. And other side, ayan, yung texture niya kakaiba. Ito yung heel strap para dun sa sa fitting, madali mo siyang ipasok. And this one yung 3 stripes ng Adidas dito sa side lateral niya. So ang gara, no? So ito naman meron nakalagay fearless and thrive para sa rubber strap. And lacing system niya, flat lace yung ginamit nila dito. Looking tongue, sa tongue nito, ayan, may issue number 3 with spider logo ni Donovan Mitchell. Then Achilles pillow. So sa Achilles pillow, napakaganda rin, hindi pa rin nawawala yung graphic printed. With yung side niya, nandun yung size details. And checking natin tong Achilles pillow. So ito, meron pa rin graphic design. So napakaganda nito, no? And napakapal nung Achilles pillow niya. pang support talaga sa ankle. And this one same like Dame 7. So yung insoles naman, and then may mga graphics din, may mga designs ni Donovan Mitchell. So sa ilalim naman tayo ng sapatos. Okay, so as you can see, kitang-kita dito yung TPU panel o TPU plate na nandun din sa lateral side ng sapatos na to. And may mga emojis dito sa gitna, dun sa midsole rubber. So yan yung mga emojis niyan. So mga design din. Okay, on traction naman niya, spider web pattern na yung mga square niya is napakalaki. Then dalawa yon, may solid rubber siya, etong orange tsaka yung light blue. Okay, so hindi tinipid yung materials na ito, and yung technology niya intact pa rin talaga. Okay, check natin yung isa. May kaibahan lang dito siguro sa, I think, sa rubber strap. So ito yung rubber strap, fearless and drive, and sa kabila naman is grit hard. So left and right yun. Okay, yung masasabi ko dito is this one is the very stand out na issue number 3 ng Donovan Mitchell. Ito yung sa katingin ko yung magandang version, because this one meron na siyang Lightstrike cushioning, which is same ng Dame 7. Ito halos lahat naka-cover yung cushioning niya. Then also napaka-premium ng materials at pinag-isipan yung design. So napaka good looking nito. And not just that, meron din yung combination ng translucent tsaka yung solid rubber sa outsole. Ang ganda. D.O.N issue number 3 represents Donovan Mitchell's journey to stardom, and hopefully this one magamit natin sa basketball court through performance review, and we're looking forward to that. So until next Sapatusan, thanks for watching. This is the Curse of Imelda.